Hey, what's up you guys? It's King Camry. We're here with KP Camry. We're gonna be changing the grill. Actually, we already changed the front grill of his car. We gave it that XSE gloss look, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can get that done. So if you guys ever do want to do this or go from an XSE to a SE grill because you like the matte finish, then this video is gonna help you guys to get that done. So we already went ahead and finished it, and let me show you guys how it looks right now. Alright you guys, so we're about to install the glass black XSE front grille onto the SE. Real quick, I'm just going to show you guys exactly what you have to remove from the existing bumper and where to remove it. So this is going to be kind of like a copy and paste, and what you have to do is just check out where the clips are from your new grille, and it's pretty self-explanatory. So basically it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 clips that you will be removing from the front bumper, and it's all gonna be showing you right here. This is where all the clips are at, right here, and it also takes 2 screws. I already went ahead and removed the screws. It's one on this side and also one on this side. And I went ahead and I kind of pre-started right here, just in case we don't lose these. But this is going to be the new one that we're going to be installing. It's glass black. If you guys ever want to do this, this is what you need to do. I know it can be a little bit of a headache, but don't worry, you can get it. Just take your time and try not to break anything. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me on Instagram or comment down below. But we finished it. It was pretty easy, but you just have to take your time and be very patient. But that's about it, you guys. Take care. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.